Yeah guys, I'm back here at the 6 Mile because I got pretty pissed off that I didn't catch anything today. I mean, not today, the other day. As you can tell, it's pretty bloody rainy. It has been raining all day, and yeah, I don't know why I came out here today, but I decided I wanted because I was a bit bored today. So Jamie is also going to be here with me today, but he's still coming and will probably be here in about 15 minutes. But in the meantime, I've got some pillies here, so I'm going to start fishing straight away. So yeah, off I go. I also can't imagine this video is going to be very long because it is bloody miserable today with all the rain, but who knows. So yeah, we'll start fishing now and hopefully I'll catch something unlike I did the other day. So yeah, we'll start fishing now. Alright, we have moved spots because this spot where we are now is a much better spot, because if you can see there's a bit of water change at the end of my fingers. You can see it's a different colour to the river itself. So yeah, we'll try here and then hopefully we catch a bass or a cod. Alright, Jimmy's going to attempt to get down here. My line's still going crazy. Need to keep an eye on it. Let's hope Jay doesn't fall, because down there was way too slippery. Down here's got a bit more traction. He's going to keep the eeltail catfish that he just caught and keep it in his tank. Or I'm getting the pull. Oh no. Okay. Too many things going on at the same time. I've got to keep an eye on my line because it is getting pulled. that was majestic. I don't know if you could even hear my audio from the video that was just playing before, but Jamie did catch an eeltail catfish. My line is so tight right now. I don't know if I've got anything on it or... So we've come to another spot because after that only one fish we caught. We didn't get much after it, so we've come to this spot. It's the same creek system that ran into the Mary, but this is like about 300 metres upstream, and that's the car bridge. That just shows how close we are to the highway. So we're gonna try here for a bit and see what happens. I also got, before I recorded this, I got a massive take on my bait, so this means there's something here, so we'll try. Got a nice catfish a couple of minutes after I started fishing again. Show him the camera. Yeah, not too bad. Jimmy's caught a nice sooty here. Definitely legal. We've moved spots just a little bit down from where we were, just there. That's about where we were. There's a nice corner here, a nice like clay wall. So yeah, we'll probably try here now. This is probably where we'll stay for the rest of the time. So hopefully we catch something. Jamie's caught a big eel. I can't really see it because I'm using my Pretty big eel there. It's the only thing we're catching at this spot other than that sooty.
Take it down near the knife.
Knife is just near your hand. Yeah, yeah. There he goes. Oh no. There he goes.
No, he took the hook.
Oh no. Anyways guys, this is probably going to be the end of the video because it is getting pretty dark. Won't be able to see anything on the video. So at least we caught something, at least I caught something compared to what I did the other day. But yeah, not too much. But still, fish is fish. Hey? Yeah. Alright. Well then guys, I'll see you in the next video. So yeah.